fitting that I'm going to explain and talk about as to how you can use it, how much space you need to install a fitting like this, and what are its basic uses is the Marsun Pull Down. So let's see what it is. So this is basically a fitting that needs a 600 box, or you can say a 2 feet box to install in it. The basic functioning of it is that you can keep up to 5 kgs of your spices and your sugars and oils in it. Its actual load bearing capacity is up to 12 kgs. So it's got these settings in which if these two particular buttons, if they are pressed, then the load bearing capacity is up to 12 kgs. So it comes down more smoothly, the fitting, because it's meant for like heavier stuff. So you can put up to 6 kgs on each of the shelves. So this is kind of ideal for smaller kitchens as well, in which you can keep your flours and you can keep your oils in it as well, so that when you're using it, you can just keep it, you can just get the fitting down and use it, and you don't have to waste your counter space on it, or you don't have to actually allocate an entire drawer for it. You can use one of your wall spaces by using this fitting to use it for the same. The second utility of it is that it makes the upper shelf, the second shelf, which would generally be inaccessible, more accessible for you, because you don't have to raise your hand too much to actually reach that particular area. So this is generally recommended for people who have a physical problem. So if you have a cold shoulder, or you can't raise your arm up to from a certain level, then this is an ideal fitting for you. It's relatively easy to clean. It's made of steel, so if ever there are any of your stains on it, it can easily just be cleaned with a cloth. And this fitting is actually very easy to install as well. You just need you need to take out the fitting, put it in, and just put a few screws inside, and it is good to go. It comes pre-assembled, so there is there's nothing very difficult in this particular assemblage. The disadvantage is that the particular load bearing capacity, so you are losing out on quite a bit of the box space. You could have loaded it up, but you're kind of sort of skipping out on that. But again, what's the use of the space that you can't actually access? Please share it with people who are looking to make their house and are looking for different hardware to be incorporated in their modular kitchen, so that it can be a high utility and completely customized to their needs as well. Subscribe to the channel as well. We try to make new videos about hardware and different accessories that you should be using in your interiors and modular kitchen once a week. And I hope you found this video useful. If you've got any questions, please send them in the comments. If you would like to have a look at our hardware, we've also linked the website in the description, so please do go and check that out. And we've made a lot of other videos on our channel, so please do check that out on the video as well.